Welcome to JH. Dance It is an app designed to make fitness fun by letting you dance your way to better health. Because apparently, regular exercise is just too boring for our modern attention spans. It promises tailored challenges, various class styles, and progress tracking tools to keep you motivated. But the big question remains, is this app actually legit, or just another digital glitter bomb? Let's find out together. First, the numbers look surprisingly good. The app sits on the Play Store with a 4.6-star rating from over 1 crore downloads, while the App Store shows a matching 4.6-star rating from 16,000 reviews. That's a lot of people shimmying in their living rooms and actually enjoying it. High ratings and massive download counts usually mean the app is doing something right, or at least has a very persuasive marketing team. Another positive sign is their massive social media presence, with 22,000 followers on Facebook and over 469,000 on Instagram. That's a huge community, and it shows they actually engage with their users instead of just ghosting them after the download. A brand that actually talks to its audience usually earns more trust than one hiding behind a broken Contact Us form. The third point in their favor is transparency. They provide multiple ways to contact support, including an email, a phone number, and even a physical address. This makes users feel much more confident that help is available if things go sideways. The app itself is packed with features like a 28-day personalized plan and fun challenges. It's basically a personal trainer in your pocket, minus the terrifying shouting and the expensive gym membership you'd never use anyway. Now, let's talk about the reviews, where the real drama happens. Users have had mixed experiences. While many love the energetic, easy-to-follow sessions that boost their mood, others are frustrated by the free claim. It turns out free is often code for pay us if you want the good stuff, as most core features require a subscription. Some users even found that canceling their plan was about as easy as solving a Rubik's Cube in the dark. So is Dance It legit? Based on the evidence, yes. It has a strong App Store presence, high ratings, and clear contact options. However, you should keep in mind that the best features are locked behind a paywall, and the subscription model can be a bit sticky. Read the terms carefully before jumping in with both feet. Overall, it's a genuine app that can be useful, provided you manage your expectations about the cost. Thanks for sticking till the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest app reviews.